There is a simple way to find out whether your budgie is a male or a female. Depending on the gender of your bird, a cere that is located above them will come in different colors. Baby male budgies have a pink cere without any other colors on it. As they grow, the cere will turn into purple and then blue color. Male budgies are also renowned for making more noise and being more active than females. Baby female budgies have combination of white, blue and pink cere. And the adult females budgies have brown and crusty cere. Male lutino budgies have pink cere. Female lutino budgies have brown cere. Due to the similar cere colors between males and females, it might be challenging to identify baby albino budgies under 4 months. Both male and female baby albino budgies have pink and blue cere. Adult females have brown and crusty cere. Males have pink cere. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe us and leave a comment. Have a good day.